Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a nice vegetable stock or vegetable bourguignon that you can use in your stew and whatever you're cooking, your rice, stew, stir fry. What I'm going to put, I have a courgette here. I have some garlic, carrot, onion, and some peppers, and of course some celery. For the dry ingredients inside here, this is a coconut ox. I have turmeric, bit of paprika, bit of coriander, and sea salt, and some fresh, some dried thyme, black pepper. So I'm gonna blend them out now, so stay tuned. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna prep the vegetables. At the moment, I'm just gonna dice them up a bit. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please turn on the notification button and hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and leave positive comments. So at this point, I'm just preparing the vegetables. So here I'm just still chopping the vegetables. The reason why I cut them, dice them, is because when I'm ready to put them in the robot coupe or whatever you might call it, blender, it's easier, it's less work for it. And then after, I'm gonna saute it off, but I'll take you through the process. When I finish with this video, you won't be able to buy any more stock cube. You'll just make it yourself. When trying this, don't be afraid to use whatever you like to put it in. So this almost finished. So whatever you like to put it in, you can put it in. And also whatever vegetables you want to use, you can use it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend it and then take you through the process. So now I'm gonna get ready to blend out some of this. I'm gonna use a different device, which is multitask. Is one of my new toy. Very good. I'm going to take up some of this. is very, very fast and effective. That's what it looked like, but I need it a little bit finer, so I'll give it another blitz. Look a bit smoother, so I'll get a bowl. Let's get it out in the bowl. So everything coming together. I'm going to put it in a bowl, and then I'm going to put it on the fire and sweat it off a bit and take it all to the process. Whenever you're ready to do this, you can use the vegetables of your choice. You can even put some coriander in it, you know, some cilantro, basil. Okay, that's the last blend. So I'm going to put these in. So now I'm gonna sweat the mixture off, because you have to cook it out a bit, and I'll take it to this process. You can use whatever oil you want. You can use avocado oil, you know, recommended olive oil if you have it. Then I'm gonna put the vegetables in. So what I'm doing, I'm cooking the vegetable out. I'm going to add my seasoning. And please remember to try it. Make sure when you try it, have a balance of salt, but you're making like a stock cube. So what I'm trying to do now is getting the water content out. So at this point, I'm going to try it. Tastes very nice, but it could take a little bit more salt. So I'm going to add some sea salt to it. Because you're making a stock cube, you need good amount of salt in it. But when you're ready to use it, you will know by your own judgment how much you need. So here I have another ingredient which you need to add. A bit of corn flour. You try and mix this in. You can either use this or you can use a whisk. So make sure you get out all the lumps, get it mixed in properly. Now as you see, it's coming together. So now I'm going to turn the gas off. And here I have a pan which I've greased up. So I'm going to take this off. So I'm going to put this in. This is nice and rich, delicious. You can use it for your stew, any type of stew, seafood, whatever you wish to use it for. I use a small spoon just to help spread it out. You can use a spoon or a spatula And if you're watching this channel for the first time, if this is of any help to you, please subscribe and hit that notification button, and like and share. You can use this to spread it out a bit. Also, you can use one of this, very handy. I'm just using the cake spatula just to help push it down in the corner. Okay, so there you have it, guys. What I'm going to do now, just leave it in the fridge or the freezer. Once you leave it to chill down a bit, everything going to combine, and then you can cut it the way you want it. So either the fridge or freezer. So stay tuned. So now the stock come out of the fridge. So I'm going to turn it off. That's what it looked like. So you can go ahead and cut it up. You can cut it however you want to cut it, any shape and size. These bits, still gonna use them. I'll wrap them up. I'll show you what you can do. Here I have some aluminum foil, which I have cut earlier. So you just take one up, put it in, you just wrap it up. Put it on this side. You fold it like this. I just get a bigger piece of aluminum. Then you fold it like this. Make it as neat as possible. Look at that. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is what you can do. It's good for making soup, your stew, your seafood. You can put it in anything. Save yourself some money. This is even good to make a nice broth. All you need is a nice storage container. Put them in. Then put this straight in the fridge, and then you're good to go. So now I'm gonna show you how to make a nice broth. I'm gonna put some water inside here. Get one of your stock cube out, put it in, get a whisk, this is very nice broth I'm making here. As you can see, look at the color. Look at this lovely color. So you see here, you get your broth. Less than 3 minutes, it will be ready. Let's let it boil a bit. Give it a taste. Wow. That is nice. While that is about to boil, Scotch bonnet, let's drop him in. Now this is ready. I'm going to turn it off. Bring it over here. So this is a nice broth, ready to go. Look at that, nice color. delicious. Very nice and healthy. Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave positive comment. Peace be unto you all.